All right, friends, very simple tutorial today, and that is how to check your oil. Something that you should be doing at least every, maybe few hundred miles to make sure that you're at the correct levels, especially if you're on a road trip or you're going to be driving long distances. So let's do that really quick. Again, a very easy process, and let's get started. Okay, so a couple of things that we need to know to get started. First, our dipstick to check the oil is going to be on the left-hand side, so passenger side of the vehicle here. You can see it's that yellow ring. That is our dipstick where we're going to be checking our oil levels. Now, if our oil levels are low, we're going to be coming over here and adding oil via this little guy right here. You can unscrew that cap and that drains directly into the engine. So what we're going to need to do first, obviously, is check our current levels. And that simply involves grabbing this little yellow ring and pulling out your dipstick. Now you can see there's oil kind of all up and down the stick here. We're going to need to wipe that off so we can get a nice clean level check. Okay, so I've got my, my dipstick out, and I have just a paper towel. If you're at a gas station, just grab one of those rags that should be located somewhere near the pumps. And just going to give it a nice clean sweep so it's all clean. Now again, the thing we really want to pay attention to are these two little dots. You can see right here and right here. Those are your indicator lines, and you want your oil levels to be somewhere in between there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back down into the dipstick reservoir, and we're going to get a clean reading. Okay, once it's snugging back in, we're going to go ahead and pull that bad boy right on out. And again, that should give us a decent level reading. Now you can see where most of the oil is pooled there on the very end. That's going to be our indicator level. So you can see it's right below that bottom line there. That means this is just a hair low, maybe half a quart or so would get us back up into that safe zone. Okay, I'm over here on the other side of the car now. Because we are going to need to add a little more oil, what we're going to be doing is grabbing this little cap here, and you can actually just twist that right off, and it will reveal the oil reservoir. Now again, I highly suggest using a funnel for something like this. Really make sure you don't spill oil all kind of around your engine block here. And basically, yeah, we're going to be, I'll put a link in the description box below. Again, this is a 2003 through 2009 Toyota 4Runner, going to be very, very similar in this process. But again, I'm going to put maybe half a quart or so of oil in there using a funnel. And once you're done, we're going to be putting it right back on. And that should keep our levels perfect. So there you go. Again, a really quick tutorial on how to check your oil levels on your 2003 through 2009 Toyota 4Runner. Stay tuned. We got a lot more 4Runner tips, tricks, and how-to videos coming up soon.